This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 17, Understanding Group Dynamics I. This video covers the intriguing concept of group dynamics, divided into two parts of around 30 minutes each. It explores the meaning, nature, and processes involved in group formation and functioning, building upon previous lectures on communication within groups. Group dynamics refers to the interaction patterns, attitudes, and behaviors of members that drive a group towards achieving its goals. Groups form when people share a common identity, objectives, and accept the rights and obligations of membership. Effective group functioning relies on strong communication, trust, and openness among members. While the terms group and team are often used interchangeably, they have distinct differences in purpose and structure. A group consists of individuals forming a unit for a specific reason or cause without necessarily a cohesive focus. In contrast, a team is a collection of accomplished individuals united by a common goal that needs to be accomplished. For a group to exist, there must be two or more people formally interacting face-to-face with a common goal and shared fate. A group has a formal social structure with defined roles and interdependent members who self-identify as part of the group. External recognition through appreciation gifts or concessions motivates the group, and characteristics like structure, interdependence, and recognition enable group cohesion. Group formation typically follows a series of stages, as proposed by Tuckman in 1965. The forming stage involves seeking guidance, direction, and finding interested members for the task. This is followed by the storming stage, where the creative process starts with a goal focus, but interpersonal conflicts arise. The norming stage is marked by a serious concern for task performance and establishing norms. Members start taking responsibility for the group and relationships, discussing leadership hierarchy. The group structure solidifies, camaraderie develops, and tasks are assigned to achieve the common goal. At the forming stage, group members see themselves as a cohesive unit and contribute to tasks. The authority figure is seen as part of the group, with collective pressure for group effectiveness. After norms are set, members must work hard, be sincere in their efforts, and collaborate to perform effectively towards the established goals. The adjourning stage refers to the disbanding of temporary groups, such as project teams, after the task is completed. Members may feel happy or unhappy about the group's adjournment and separation from other members. In reality, multiple stages can occur simultaneously, and the stages are not strictly defined. Group progression can also be viewed through the lens of orientation, conflict, emergence, and reinforcement stages. Orientation helps members understand each other and the group's purpose, while conflict arises as members argue for different approaches to solve the problem. Emergence occurs when consensus starts developing towards a solution, and reinforcement solidifies the consensus as members work to complete the task. In summary, group dynamics is crucial for getting work done effectively in many disciplines and organizations. Understanding group psychology and potential issues is key to avoiding problems beforehand. Careful group formation and functioning lead to dynamic and high-performing teams, and considering group dynamics helps achieve great results with satisfied members ultimately. The key takeaways are: members' interaction drives group dynamics towards achieving goals. Understanding group dynamics helps address social issues like prejudice. Groups focus on a reason or cause, while teams are united by a common goal. Structure, roles, and recognition enable group cohesion and motivation. The stages of forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning are crucial for group formation. Group progression involves stages like orientation, conflict, and emergence. And considering group dynamics is essential for high-performing and satisfied teams. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.